Where's Dad?
No way, Daddy.
What is it?
I told you I had someone who wanted to help me bring you your breakfast.
What is it?
The dog. You give me the dog I was talking about. I have the purple leaf. The pink walker thing.
And a pink towel.
It's real. Is it real?
Now I have 2 dogs.
Awesome.
5 dogs.